Assalamu alaikum viewers. My name is Dr. Shehzad Ahmed and I am a heart specialist. Dear friends, as the holy month of Ramadan is approaching, we are being frequently asked a question by our patients that can we observe fast during the holy month of Ramadan? Today's video will address this issue in two parts. In the first part, I will describe that whether the patients with heart disease can observe fast or not, and in the second part, I will narrate some benefits of observing fast for normal people in getting themselves protected against heart problems. So, coming to the first question, can the patients with heart problem observe fast? The answer is that all those heart patients who are stable on their treatment can safely observe fast in the month of Ramadan. And what does stable means? It means that they are not bothered by heart related symptoms on daily basis or at least 2 to 3 times per week. However, in this regard, it is mandatory that a few precautions should be observed. First of them is that during the times of Sahar and Aftar, taking a lot of drinks as well as salty and oily things can create a trouble for those patients who already have heart problem. Secondly, as the weather is hot in most of Islamic countries nowadays, so observing fast can cause dehydration if the patients with heart problem continue outdoor activities during the afternoon. So it is advisable for all those people who have heart problem and want to observe fast that they should restrict their outdoor activities to early morning time or in the late evening time and should remain at home during the afternoon hours. The second part of this video will narrate a few benefits of observing fast for the normal people about protecting them against heart problem. Dear friends, observing 14 to 16 hours fast per day reduces body fat. It increases the ratio of good cholesterol in our blood, which has a protective effect for the heart, and it reduces the level of bad cholesterol as well as triglycerides, which are destructive for the arteries which are supplying blood to the heart. And in that way, observing fast can reduce the risk of having a heart problem. Secondly, the people who observe fast for 14 to 16 hours a day have improved control of their blood sugar, whether they have diabetes or pre-diabetes. The overall glycemic or sugar control is improved in those patients who observe fast. Next is the process of deposition of cholesterol in the arteries which are supplying blood to the heart is scientifically termed as atherosclerosis. And this atherosclerosis is supposed to be a result of an inflammatory process, and observing fast can reduce this inflammatory process by several mechanisms, and in that way protects the heart from developing angina or heart attack. Last but not the least, observing fast can improve blood pressure control as well as decreases the heart rate of a person, and as a collective it reduces the risk of having angina or heart attack. In this way, all these different mechanisms collectively lead to a protective effect derived from observing 14 to 16 hours fast per day. I hope today's video will be beneficial for you. Thank you.